Hello, my YouTube friends. Hi. This channel name is Korean Teacher. Please connect to me and like my channel. Today I'm going to join in 조선셰프 YuGuSeo traditional food UCC contest. Surname is Seo, name is Yugu. He is a famous chef in Joseon. Today I'm going to make 단호박떡. 단호박떡 is pumpkin rice cake. This is the ingredients we need. First, we need sesame. Sesame in Korean is called 참깨. Repeat after me. 참깨. 참깨. And we need brown sugar. Brown sugar in Korean is called 흑설탕. Repeat after me. 흑설탕. 흑설탕. And we need soybean flour. Soybean flour in Korean is called 콩가루. Repeat after me. 콩가루. 콩가루. And we need glutinous rice flour. Glutinous rice flour in Korean is called 찹쌀가루. Repeat after me. 찹쌀가루. 찹쌀가루. Lastly, we need sweet pumpkin. Sweet pumpkin in Korean is called 단호박. Repeat after me. 단호박. 단호박. Step 1. I need to make pumpkin soup. Boil the pumpkin in the water and blend the pumpkin soup in the blender to make the soup softer. Step 2. Mix 호박죽, pumpkin soup, and the 찹쌀가루 in the glutinous rice flour and make a dough. Put 깨 and 흑설탕, 콩가루 in one and mix it with spoon. I made a little dough and put 흑설탕, 깨, 콩가루 in the dough and make the dough into a ball. And lastly, I'm going to put the pumpkin rice cake in the steamer. I am going to steam the pumpkin rice cake for 15 minutes. This is the end of the cooking class today. I am finished making the pumpkin rice cake. It looks delicious. Thank you. 감사합니다.